Hello and welcome back. Okay, in this video we'll implement slime. So it simply will be in the environment, it won't interact with the player. So what we're gonna do is move it around something similar as a saw. Okay, let's get started. Let's start a 2D scene called slime, and let's add animated sprite. Let's start the frame animation, create the frame animation from image and slime. Let's choose the purple one, the moving one, and the static one. Okay, so automatic, hey, it will look something like moving. Okay, so we'll move left and right, something like that. Let's save it. Scenes, items, objects, whatever. Okay, now we'll do something similar as a saw, right? Like have a move function and that will move around, and will have this export as well, so that it can be used in variable way. Create, let's have those export same as in the saw. Let's pull this as well. And we'll probably need this method. Okay, we can probably reuse some codes to make some better ways, but for now let it be. Yeah, let's take all these code. There is lots of repetition you'll probably don't like, but let it be for now. Yeah, it should work. Yeah, it does move here and there. Now based on this, I'll like to kinda rotate the player. Okay, so moving left, initially it's facing left side, right? So moving left is false, that means we'll have to flip it, that flip as is equal to true, and false. It will probably work. Next time, yeah, it's facing this side. Okay, for initial case, since we'll be moving on right initially, we'll have to rotate it right. So just in initial case, in the ready. Okay, so ready, this function will be called initially for the first time when this scene loads. Okay, just once. So if we check again, it looks good. Okay, right. Let's stop it. Let's edit on the label. Somewhere here, add slime. Yeah, that's it. We'll kind of optimize later. Perfect. We'll perfect the position later. Okay. Yeah, it's doing. Let's make it move a bit farther, like 80 and 80, something like that, a bit fast. And if we check it again, it should move a bit faster. Yeah, and move a bit far as well. Yeah, okay, since we are already here, let's fix the position. And same for the saw. Okay. Now I'd like to implement this tool called spike. It will act similar as saw, but it won't just move, it won't move. Okay, so let's have another function. Okay, node 2D, it can simply be sprite. Okay, sprite, sprite. It will better to have a area 2D probably. I'll add area 2D, and have make this as a root. It won't matter, but just mix in root, and here let's add that. What's that? From tile spike. Which is spike? Where is spike? Is this spike? Let it the texture here. Okay, so and let's add area 2D. Let's add collision. Collision. It will be rectangular. With alt we can expand it something like this. Okay, let's move further down. Okay, looks good. Let's make it spike, save, and items. Okay, so yeah, next thing is we have to set this collision layer to 3 and interact with layer. Okay, then we can listen if a body entered. First we have to attach a script to this. Okay, script attached. Then let's listen that. Okay, so it will be same as the saw, so simply direction, and that's it. I think it will work. Let's add it to our scene. Papa easy. I'll simply add it here. Like, what's that? Spike. Okay, and move it away and fix that position. Okay, something like this. So if I play it, yeah, it's throwing us away. Okay, from the direction where we hit. Yeah, that's it. Let's take it a bit further so they don't interact with, yeah, I mean they don't overlap. Yeah, that's it. So just to confirm everything is good. Yeah, let's add a tile so that we can go to another label, return back, something like that. No, tiles, tile map. Let's add, is there a single tile that can be used? Let's do this. Okay, here, just like that. We have our prog. Okay, it looks good. Yeah, that's for now.